So this is the Museum of Human Disease. As we've said, it's divided into bays which look at the diseases in various parts of the body. This room is predominantly our lung bay, and there are lots of diseases of the lung, and that's because your lungs are exposed to the environment, and so anything that you walk through or walk past goes into your body through your lungs, which are always working, bringing that air inside. And so in this bay we have probably more environmental diseases than any of our other bays because you're exposed to the environment. And that means things like dust and chemicals that you're exposed to can impact your lungs. And one of the most well-known of those in Australia is, of course, exposure to the dust from asbestos. This is a piece of raw blue asbestos. When the fibres get into your lungs, they begin to create reactions which cause mesothelioma and asbestosis, a scourge in Australia. Because of that, we're working to remove them from the environment. We also have examples of coal miners' lung from a time when people who worked in coal mines were more exposed to dust than hopefully they are today with our much improved occupational health and safety standards, but where the coal dust effectively fills the lungs. We also have in this bay probably our most significant part of our collection, two important parts of our collection. One is our oldest specimen from 1898, a lung specimen with tuberculosis. And the other part of the collection that we have here that is very unique is our Goff slices. So these aren't just images of lungs, these are thin slices through the lung, taken so that you can look at them and you can see the detail of a lung, see the detail of a normal lung and compare that to various stages and various types of diseased lungs as we look at tumours and we look at coal miner's lung and we look at pneumonia and a range of other diseases, all here within these beautiful slices of lung. Further across here we have our skin bay, and this is where you'll find that most Australian of diseases, skin cancer, things like melanoma, that we know about, that we've known about for a very long time, that we know how to prevent. Prevent sunburn, prevent exposure to UV light in sun, and you prevent 95% of skin cancers. And yet it's still a significant killer in Australia, something that you can learn about here. Here in this bay we also have our cutaneous horn. We have some ulcers from diabetics. We have a range of different skin diseases and ailments, including a range of different sorts of cancers and tumours. Hope to see you here at the museum sometime soon.